In our biggest inspections update 12.2, we try to make inspections a bit more visual and engaging for our mobile users. That's why we released a new question item that is called the tagged image. Here, instead of just filling out your classic linear questionnaire template, you first take a picture of an item or of a space that you want to, and then you position tags directly on the image. This gives you a more detailed and more accurate data that go back to your backend and is also much more engaging for your mobile users. We can see a broad range of potential use cases where you can use this. For example, retail and wholesale. Let's imagine our sales inspector that goes into a franchise and wants to see all his products placed on the shelves. That's where he can just take a picture on his mobile device and fill out the questionnaire directly related to the items on the picture. Also, we have insurance and rentals, where it could work greatly with visual representation of damages when it comes to insurance claims on cars, for example. And also repairs, where our tags can actually guide the technician throughout the inspections on a machine. So how to set this up? Well, basically we've introduced a new question type within inspections that is called a tagged image. One tag in the application represents one question group that you can set up in your designer. And of course, you can add additional questions within the tags or within your question groups. So where does this data sit? So basically, as any other question within the Resco inspections, it is stored under the question itself in a Resco value field. This question type is specific because it also involves enhanced position coordinates for the respective groups. And as always, the image remains to be an annotation to the question. So as a picture is worth thousands of words, let me just show you a little demonstration how this can all look like. So here I am in my inspections backend, and I'm going to show you how this kind of a question, this tagged image, can be defined in the questionnaire designer. So I'll just open my designer. I have prepared a questionnaire template for you. It's called vehicle inspection. We're gonna basically simulate an insurance claim for the damaged car. So here, let me scroll to the second question. As you can see, this question type is using other groups, which are basically my tags that are specified below. It's a classic question group with questions within it. And also for the question groups, you can specify the icon that you would like to see in your application and the color for the tag itself. These question groups can be also made invisible, so you don't have to see them in the main page of the questionnaire template, but I'm gonna leave them visible so you can see that they are actually being filled out. So let me go now to my mobile application. So this is my default inspector project. Let me open the respective template that I just showed you in the questionnaire designer. It's vehicle inspection. The first question I use there is a classic option set, so I'll just choose what car I am inspecting, or what is the insurance car. And here is my tagged image question. As you can see with the description, tag the image on the car. So I just click on the little camera, and I can either capture a picture or choose a picture. I choose a picture of the car that I already had here. Here we go. Okay, so this is my damaged car, and by hitting the plus button in the corner on the bottom, you can see these are my tags, or basically question groups that I created in the designer. Let me place this around the image. So this goes on the windshield. This is a bumper and some other exterior damage, let's say. If you have a repeatable group, then you can place more tags for the group. And also, you can see the icons and the colors that we defined. When I open this, I can see the questions. So broken glass, no, we don't have any. There is no damage. Let me fill this out. Bumper is damaged quite severely. Okay. Type of the damage, there is just a minor one. And here we can see quite a moderate damage. Okay, so this would be my my tags placed on the image. And I can just click on the tick in the top right corner. And as you can see also in the questionnaire template, the questions have been answered. And as I mentioned, if these question groups are invisible, then you basically don't see them here, you see them only on the tagged image. If I open this again, you can see that the tags are still there, and that's how they are also sent to the backend.